Hidden deep in southwest China, this sacred site offers a window into the past. The rock carvings of Dazu are a stunning example of Chinese cave art, but perhaps the most important thing about these statues here is what they tell us about the life and belief in China more than 1,000 years ago. I'll discover how advanced digital technology and AI are safeguarding these relics. In Europe, we'll also see what's being done to restore a Dutch national treasure. Welcome to Crossing Cultures. Join us as we explore the very best traditions of both China and Europe. The Dazu rock carvings are one of the finest examples of Chinese cave temple art. Dating from the 9th to the 13th centuries, more than 10,000 figures chart the evolution of religious belief and artistic expression. In Yuanjue Cave, 12 bodhisattvas advance towards perfect enlightenment. They are safeguarded by an ingenious stone drainage system that has protected the grotto for centuries.
我听说圆觉洞这边也是一个重点研究的项目。
这个项目呢，其实是想要打造一个关于文物的全息病历表和智能手术台。那三维病害标注呢，它不仅仅是一个三维可视化的呈现，它也是从这个平面到立体的一个技术跃迁。
你们进行数字扫描的时候，有没有遇见什么样的困难？
您可以看到，在圆觉洞当中有非常多的这个保护性支撑架构，这些支护架构呢，与这个我们的造像形成了遮挡和这个夹角，那给我们的数据采集其实带来了非常严峻的挑战。这个采集的过程采用亚毫米级的这个设备，去把所有的这些细节全部还原出来。比如说它的这个头冠的缺失呢，它因为头冠是这个对称性的雕刻嘛，然后我们就可以选取字体对称的方式来给它进行修复。现在是一个 AI 大时代嘛，然后我们这个文物数据也是有一个比较大的数据库存在的。我们想要去寻找这个修复方案的时候，就可以借助 AI。 以及这个大模型，可能更方便的出来这个方案的显示效果图。
Such technological advances allow researchers to capture and study the site with precision, while also making the carvings accessible to a worldwide audience. From the ancient rock art here in Chongqing, let's head to Europe to discover the latest effort to restore a Dutch masterpiece. Paul has more.
Bikes, bridges, cafes, canals. Amsterdam conjures up so many things. But if there's one place that truly captures its cultural heart, it's here, the Rijksmuseum. A temple to the Dutch Golden Age, one painting still reigns supreme, Rembrandt's Night Watch.
The Night Watch is Rembrandt's most ambitious painting. He painted it at the pinnacle of his career, and it's special because it's also a deeply humane painting.
Since 2019, a major restoration in full view of the public has been taking place. Right now, conservators like Esther are delicately removing the old varnish from the imposing canvas.
Esther, why are you removing the varnish?
We are removing the varnish from the Night Watch because it's a very yellow layer. It has aged over time, it's 50 years old, and it's also a bit grayish because it doesn't saturate the paint layers as well as it should.
And how complex is a restoration like this? What are the main challenges you face?
The painting is very big, which is a challenge in and of itself. The project itself is very big. We're doing a lot of research, and that makes everything exponentially bigger and more complex.
Every move Esther makes is supported by the museum's science team, who examine the masterpiece in microscopic detail.
The research we do with our team is really to understand the composition and condition of the Night Watch, and this information helps conservators to make decisions in their treatment. So we have technology where we really scan through the painting. We do imaging, but we also take tiny samples to really dive into the paint to really understand what has happened over these 400 years.
The Night Watch is really an icon for the Netherlands. And this restoration we're doing for the future, and future generations will see a night watch which will be much clearer, easier to read, but also have more depth. The contrast between light and dark, for which Rembrandt is so famous, will be more apparent. So that's why we decided that this is the time to restore it.
400 years have taken their toll. Previous restorations, exposure to the elements, and a violent attack have all left scars. So what's the painting's condition today?
The condition of the painting is, I would love to say good, but if you're looking under the microscope, you can see that it's a damaged paint surface, which is not strange. I mean, it is 400 years old, but yeah, it's compromised.
As for restoring one of the world's greatest paintings in front of the public, that was never in doubt.
The Night Watch, it's in a sense world heritage and it belongs to everyone. And we felt that the public has the right to see what we're doing to the painting.
The Rijksmuseum has also moved much of its vast collection online, another innovative way in which it engages its audience.
The public changes and you have to keep changing and finding new ways of presentation. So I think it's incredibly important for a museum to keep on moving, to keep on changing, and to keep on showing this fantastic art which is timeless.
To bring Dazu's ancient heritage to life, an 8K panoramic dome now allows visitors to study the carvings in stunning detail.
大足石刻的话，被称为世界10大石窟之一。哇！代表了公元9至13世纪世界石窟艺术的最高水平。它就是利用现在的数字化复原技术，将我们大足石刻10多堪精美的造像，通过多方面的扫描，然后进行8K 影院的一个投放。这样子的话，对文物又起到了保护作用，而且又把我们的保护成果通过8K 的影院更完好的一个呈现了。
From the past to the present, the latest technology aims to ensure stories once etched in stone continue to resonate.
So there you have it, some innovative and inspiring ways in which China and Europe are working to display and preserve our heritage. For now, that's all from me here in Chongqing. Until the next time, thanks for watching.